Hello everybody and welcome back to the next episode of our house renovation project. So today we will, what should I say? So with a little less magic than in the last episode, we will remove the rest from the plaster from the walls, and then we will start the next, the next project or the next milestone. Some tear down in another part of the building. You maybe see here in the background. So at that point I will not talk so much and would say have fun and enjoy the video. Yeah, and as we did in the last episode, we need to tidy up a little bit to remove all the rubble here from the inside. So this old cement plaster you see here. In the last episode I did there a small magical trick to remove everything at once, but I forgot this area, and because I am not Harry Potter, I cannot do this magical trick here today. So simply done with little work with shovel and wheelbarrow, and then everything is fine again. And then I can take care about my little excavator. So from time to time I simply clean them up. So I don't know what you are doing, but I'm a fan of clean machines, and this is why I also take care of you see here the track dumper also. I'm driving so much through the mud and everything, and then it's really nice to have it cleaning up again. But this is maybe something only private persons do with their private equipment. And also here some service. You can see I am working on the chain drive, so the motor, and from time to time, so there is a little oil in this here, and every year I replace it. So this is done. You can see it's nearly no big issue. Only 2 screws, removing the old oil and then replacing it with some new oil. And as you can see, this is quite simple. You do not need any special tools or something like that. Only a few screws, some oil, and that's it. And you can be sure that the drive will work properly for the next time. And what is also working properly is my hammer drill. You see the back side of the wall. In the last episode we removed all the plaster from the one side, and today I need to take care of the other side. The task is the same, simply removing all the cement plaster and cleaning up afterwards. And finally, this is done. All the plaster is gone. And this means I can take a little break, a little coffee break. And I want to take the opportunity to thank everybody who, checked my last video, maybe put their thumbs up or maybe left a comment. Yeah, so thank you very much for your participating here. This is helping me with a small channel, so I really appreciate this. Okay, so let's move on with the next part or the next working package, and so I guess you can see where this is going. Yeah, so I'm really just installing some supports here, and this means I want to tear down something, and so more or less everything you can see here needs to be removed in order to prepare the next part of the floor slab in this area. Yeah? So we are, there's a wall in the background. This is a wall we are actually on the outside, with the excavator and everything. And these walls here, this is the former bathroom or toilet, and this needs to be removed actually because there is no foundation below. Maybe you can recognize this. And so it's much easier to remove it today and build it up later on, maybe in another or in maybe a little bit other place. So we did not decide it now. Yeah? So for now, it's some tear down and tidy up all this here in this area. As you can see, I am using more or less the techniques I also used in the other part during the tear down of the other inside shells. With this piece of wood, this is really working fine. So this is long enough so that I'm far away from the wall. So even if the stones are falling down, I'm really safe of not getting hit by any stone. And on the other side, there's a good possibility to put all the force, the needed force on the wall to tear it down. Yeah. So what you see here is the third shell of the wall. So the outside wall is built out of two shells, an inside and an outside shell. so 2 rows of stones in parallel. And the pre-owners were the opinion this is not enough, we need a third shell. And this is what I'm now tearing down here. Again with my piece of wood, which I'm using like a little hook here, and you can see this is working quite good. So but the next thing after the tear down and the dust fade away, you really have much rubble on the floor. But this is not only rubble, so many of the bricks are totally okay and can be used again. So during cleaning up I do the same thing like every time. So I separate all the bricks which are reusable from the rubble. So now we are close to be ready. You can see the pile of bricks is getting higher and higher, and I can promise you, so like a little spoiler, it was a really bad idea to put the pile of bricks in that area. But this you will see definitely in another episode where I regret this decision a little bit. Yeah, this is how it looked like. Yeah, so the third brick shell is now gone. On the floor you can only see the cement plaster. The bricks I separated or throw them away. And here in this corner there may be in the past there was an old chimney or something like that. Yeah, so this would explain why all the stones are black. So now, because nobody else wanted to do this, I need to do it for you. So everything needs to be removed here. All the plaster must be transported out of this area. And this means again some work with shovel and wheelbarrow again.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and that was it for today. So now we have all the bricks separated, all the rubble out of that area. This means in the next episode we can build up the next part of the floor slab, yeah, and then rebuild the foundation of the wall. But this is something for the next episode. And yeah, at that point I would say thank you very much for watching. If you have something, please leave me a comment. I really appreciate this. And yeah, thanks for watching and bye bye.